Illinois has now joined Minnesota in suing the federal government, trying to stop enforcement surges by ICE.
Maddie White with our Seattle sister station heard from the Washington State Attorney General's office about whether Washington could follow suit.
ICE. Last Wednesday, Seattle police confirmed they saw ICE making arrests on Aurora Avenue near the Evergreen Washelli Cemetery. Mayor Katie Wilson issued a response.
It is unacceptable to kidnap people who are simply going about their lives.
Days later, an ICE agent shot a U.S. citizen in Minneapolis, fueling public outcry here in the Evergreen State. With 2 states now suing the Trump administration over ICE, we asked a constitutional law expert if that could happen here.
Washington's got a good team of lawyers who care very much about these issues.
So could Washington also make that claim?
Sure. Washington shares a lot of the features of Minnesota and Illinois, and many of the claims in the lawsuit would be plausibly brought by Washington today. Washington and Seattle have not been targeted to the same degree.
We posed the same question to the Office of Washington Attorney General Nick Brown, and they said they, quote, wouldn't speculate about hypothetical litigation involving our state. They added they will continue to monitor events and do their job to enforce Washington law and protect Washington residents from federal overreach. Federal overreach is what the 10th Amendment aims to combat. It's what Illinois and Minnesota are using as a framework for their suits.
Saying that Minnesota is being singled out, saying that Minnesota is being forced to allocate its resources in ways that they don't want to. We're keeping our head down and wondering if and when that happens here.
Again, that was Maddie White reporting. A reminder, state and local law enforcement in Washington are already banned from working with ICE on immigration enforcement under the state's Keep Washington Working Act.